Yo, hey man, it's time, bro. I don't know if y'all watched yesterday's video, but I said it's time to let some stuff go. And here it is, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in, coming to check out what your boy is talking about every single video, man. If you do come through every single video, man, I want to give you guys a round of applause. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and clap for yourselves, man. I do appreciate the support. Without you guys, it would be no Da Vintage, you feel me? And we had 78,000 subscribers, bro. We were like a couple of hundred away from 79, right there by 80, which is 20 away from 100. You guys do the math. We right there, bro. So I appreciate all you guys. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop on the channel. And I know you guys, you know what I'm saying, checked out yesterday's video where I gave you guys a tour of the entire, you know what I'm saying, sneaker room, the video room, whatever you want to call it. Still got some work to do, you feel me? But I did want to drop that video because a couple people did ask me, you know, what the sneaker room looked like, what the studio looked like. And if you have not checked that one out, man, go ahead and check that one out. I'm gonna link it down below, or it's just yesterday's video. But today, man, I'm gonna be going through a couple of sneakers, or a lot of sneakers that I am gonna be selling. They're gonna be posted on my Instagram page, my Da Vintage Closet page, which is always linked down below. I haven't posted on there in a while. I said, man, I think it's time to start letting some stuff go. And today is the day, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and browse through what I will be posting first. There will be a bunch more coming for sale, a bunch of steals and deals. The only downside is, man, if y'all do come through, y'all hit me up, bro. Please don't waste my time. That's all I ask. If y'all want it, you know what I'm saying, please take it. But this takes a lot for me to actually go get the box, you feel me? Get the sneaker, get everything right for you guys. And if it doesn't come with a box, I will be sure to let you guys know if it does not come with the original box, man. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around, show y'all a couple of the gems that we'll be letting go. And might be, like I said, one man's trash, another man's treasure. And like I said, I'm letting everything go for the low ski. So I could just hit me up on IG, man. And real quick before we hop into it, man, hit that like button, ASAP Rocky. All right, guys, man. So you already know, man, every single drop, I always lead you guys in the right direction. As you can see by the hat, go ahead and check that out. And the tee right here, this goes perfectly. I'm talking about perfect for the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin's, which we'll be releasing in a couple of days, man. It's from OutRank brand. I always link them down below. You guys know to use my code Da Vintage to save you 10% off your entire order. Make sure you take full advantage of it. These will go fast. I'm telling you, it's gonna go super, super fast. You got the tee right here, you got the hat, and I got one more. Hold on, we got one more thing to show y'all. Let me show y'all this real quick, man. Check it out right here, bro. Another tee right here. Check it out. Make each day count. OutRank 2010. Perfect, nice cream sail colorway that does go with the J Balvin's, bro. I can't wait to get my pair. Hopefully I hit for retail. If not, I'm paying that resale bread, man. All right, man. So here we have it, bro. Here we have it. I'm about to go ahead and browse through a couple of the pairs that I will be selling, you feel me? So let's go ahead and show the first pair. We do have a pair of Cool Kais. I'm gonna let these things go. Before y'all hit me up, man, make sure y'all check out how much these things is actually going for. I'm not gonna let y'all get a crazy steal. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit under what they are going for. You guys go check it out. But the Cool Kai joints, the cool gray cool guys will be going first. You guys hit me up. I think these are a size 9. Cool Kai actually sent me these himself, you feel me? He sent me these himself, you feel me? So if you guys do want them, you know what I'm saying, come tap in with me. Next, I will be letting go the Biohack Air Jordan 1s. You guys can see, got the mocha on the back, got some teal, some navy blue, all types of crazy colors. This is a size 9. I wore them a little bit. They still look DS, bro. They VNDS. Only did an own feet on them, never got an outfit out of them, so we'll be letting this pair go. I actually been trying to sell these denim joints for a while, so if you guys do want these, man, hit me up. Letting these go for the low ski. This is a size 10.5 in women, which is a size 9 in men. Dope sneaker for somebody else, but for me, couldn't see myself actually pulling a fit together with them, so I'm letting these things go. This is a woman exclusive. Won't see this release ever again, you feel me? In my opinion, got the dope little Jordan logo right there. Got the nice little jean denim hang tag, so you know what I'm saying? Hit me up, man. And this next one might surprise y'all, but I am letting them go. They are the Air Jordan 7 trophy rooms. Can't even pull them out. Still comes with all the stuff you see. I just dropped it, but these are 100% dead stock. Never even wore them. Never did an own feet. But I'm letting these things go size 9, hit on them for retail. I'm letting them go probably for right around retail. I don't know what they're going for right now, but when this video is posted, you guys hit me up. I will have a price for y'all if you do want to shop with your boy The Vintage. So I'm gonna try my best to get out of the ones. Let's go ahead and check out, you know what I'm saying, some other silhouettes. And the majority of the silhouette I am trying to let go is the 5. So I am gonna be letting go. I think these are the what the 5s or the, I forget what these are called, but you got these joints right here, and of course it comes with the mismatched Jordan 5 over there. Forget the name of them. I don't know if it's what the 5 or top 3 5, something like that. And right here, I'm letting these go as well. You feel me? I think I did just try these on, never wore them anywhere. Still looks 100% DS. Maybe only did our own feet on these, but I'm letting these things go for you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and browse these things quickly so y'all can see what your boy is actually letting go. Another one, bro. Another gem for somebody else, bro. We have the Air Jordan 5. DJ Khaled, we the best. DS, 100%. Actually, I did wear these. I wore these, did our own feet on these, so they V and DS. No scuffs, no nothing, no dirt. Literally a dope Air Jordan 5. Just letting it go because I probably ain't gonna wear them again. Yo, and I've been on this whole little doubling up phase. Kind of over that, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was getting a little carried away with doubling up on a lot of sneakers, so I will be letting go a couple of my double ups, not all of them, you feel me? So the first one I will be letting go, which I feel like I'm gonna regret, but I might be helping somebody else, so I'm looking at it like I'm helping somebody else to actually want the sneaker. I'll be letting go the best Air Jordan 1 of the year, the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, DS, 100%, still in the box, not even laced up or anything like that. So if y'all do want these, go ahead and tap in with me, bro. And let's see what else we got, bro. Let's see what else we can let go, man. I do have a pair of Air Jordan 3 Animal Instincts. This is the 1.0 version. Gonna be letting these things go. Got a couple of wears of these, which is probably surprising to most, but I did wear them a couple of times, as you can see. But I will be letting this go. Size 9, nice quality. Dope colorway, but hey, these things is on the way out the door. And then a pair of Jordans I might regret selling. It is the Air Jordan 9. The Chili Reds. This is a size 8.5, I think. Let me see. I don't know if it's an 8.5 or a size 9. Let me check real quick. So these are a size 9. These are DS. Never wore them before, but these things is on the way out the door too. Hit me up, you know what I'm saying, if you do want them. Just gotta find a box for you guys, and yeah, I'll go ahead and let these things go to you guys. And then another pair I've been trying to let go for forever. Nobody wants to buy them, which is kind of surprising. It is the Air Jordan 6 Georgetowns right here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and tap in and check these things out. These are DS, never worn before, as you guys can see right here. Nice quality, dope colorway, but hey man, I ain't wearing them, so I'm gonna let these things go. So that's just a couple of sneakers. There will be some more sneakers, like I said, either on eBay. I'm gonna start up an eBay account, which I'm linked down below. And of course, over on my Instagram page, the vintage_closet, where I will be letting a bunch of pairs go. And that's not even including any of the pairs that's in here, bro. I told y'all, I'm gonna weed through these. I'm gonna get to selling these joints because I don't know why they're here. I'm gonna let these things go for probably a bunch of steals and some deals, just because I'm trying to declutter this closet. And I told y'all it's another guest room that I have with a bunch of shoes in there as well. So if y'all see probably some things you ain't interested in, just know I'm just trying to let them go. I really don't care how much I get for them. I'm not trying to make too much money off of them. I'm just trying to let them go, if that makes sense. So like I said, you guys tap in to the IG page. Help me declutter, you feel me? I ain't gonna hit y'all over the head. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, take an arm and a leg for these sneakers. Just want a fair price, you feel me? Might go a little bit under the value of the sneaker just to let them go, just to declutter. It's kind of overwhelming. We have so many sneakers, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let some of these pairs go and go back and get some of the grails I did miss out on. I think me being the sneaker YouTuber, you feel me, I bought a lot of these shoes and I forget I even bought them. So you just end up collecting dust, sitting in the closet. And that's just something I'm over at this point, you know what I'm saying? I'm at a point in my life where I don't need to have every single thing, if that makes sense. So just getting what I really like, getting what I really want to enjoy rocking. You guys see, I wear the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's a lot. I wear the Air Jordan 3 Reimagines a lot. And a couple of those colorways, like, you know what I'm saying, that holds a little bit of significance to me that I really love, that I actually go out, get some fits out of, rock them. You guys see it all the time on my IG feed. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in again. Make sure you guys go check out OutRank brand. Use my discount code TheVintage. Save you 10% off your entire order. This will be dropping for the Air Jordan 3 J Balvins. They killed it. And they actually, like I said, show it again. Dropped another T right here. Make each day count. OutRank 2010 super dope shirt that goes perfect. I'm talking about perfect with the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin's. I can't wait to get them. Hopefully I hit for that retail, and if I don't, I'm gonna have to pay that resale bread for them. Subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content. Take full advantage of the Air Jordan 11 gratitude giveaway that we are running. As soon as we hit that 80K, one lucky winner will be getting a pair of gratitude Air Jordan 11s. All the rules will be down below in the description box, man. So again, thank you guys so much. Love y'all. Spam them likes up before you smash out of the video, and go ahead and drop some comments down below, and make sure you hit me up. Let me know what you want to buy. If y'all see, like, let me show y'all this one more time. Y'all see what I got, bro. Y'all see what I got. Give you about 10 seconds to see it. If you want anything, you throw me a good offer, bro. I might go ahead and lob them to you, bro. Hey, I love you guys. Again, thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you in next video, man. Peace.